everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be creating some beautiful blue, sky blue kind of winter nails for you all, and I'm also going to do something really special in those nails. So if you want to learn how and if you want to know what I'm gonna do, then keep watching my video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. First, I am going to use this gel polish, which is by Rosalind in the shade 55, and I have bought this from Amazon. You can get it like from Amazon or from AliExpress, or like from their official site, rosalind.com. Now going to apply another layer of this blue gel polish to make the nails look more rich in the color. Okay, now so it's time to apply these beautiful butterflies that I bought from AliExpress, and these are so pretty. You can see these are holographic butterflies. To apply this strengthening gel by Daily Charm. Last but not least, I'm going to apply a gel top coat by Daily Charm. I'm going to dry it under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. My nails are done, and you can see how pretty they look. And thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you have liked it, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you will never miss an update. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.